Speed alone doesn't win wars. Stealth does. The Air Force describes the F-47 as having all-aspect broadband low observability. That means it's stealthy from every angle: front, rear, sides, top, and bottom. Traditional stealth jets are optimized for certain angles. Enemy radars exploit their weak spots. The F-47 has none. Its radical, likely tailless, blended-wing design eliminates vertical stabilizers and hard edges that reflect radar waves. Even the images released by the Air Force are believed to be intentional decoys designed to mislead foreign intelligence agencies. And stealth isn't just about radar anymore. The F-47 hides from infrared sensors, acoustic detection, and electronic tracking. Its exhaust system mixes hot engine gases with cooler outside air, drastically reducing heat signatures. Heat-seeking missiles struggle to lock on, even at close range. The enemy can't see it. They can't hear it. They can't track it. This is where the F-47 becomes something entirely new: a flying command center. Each F-47 can control 2 to 8 autonomous combat drones, known as Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCAs. These aren't simple drones. They're fully armed combat aircraft, capable of reconnaissance, jamming, missile strikes, and dogfighting. One pilot, an entire air squadron. The onboard AI fuses data from the jet, drones, satellites, and allied forces, analyzing threats and predicting enemy moves in milliseconds. With 185 F-47s planned, each commanding multiple drones, the U.S. effectively creates a force of over 1,100 combat aircraft. No country on Earth currently has a counter to this concept. Powering the F-47 are adaptive cycle engines, the most advanced jet engines ever built. These engines can change modes mid-flight: efficiency mode for extreme range, combat mode for maximum thrust. This gives the F-47 a combat radius of over 1,000 nautical miles, allowing operations far beyond enemy missile reach. Even more shocking, these engines generate enough power to support directed energy weapons, including lasers. Weapons that never run out of ammunition. Weapons that strike at the speed of light. Here's what should truly concern America's rivals. The F-47 has been flying since 2020. Not as a concept, not as a mock-up, as real aircraft. DARPA confirmed multiple X-plane demonstrators logged hundreds of flight hours, testing these technologies in total secrecy. While the world debated whether sixth-generation fighters were possible, America was already flying one. The F-47 doesn't just secure American air superiority, it redefines it. Stealth at Mach 2, AI-controlled drone swarms, adaptive engines, future laser weapons. This isn't evolution. This is a revolution. And while many details remain classified, one thing is clear. The F-47 is not just the future of U.S. air power. It's the aircraft that will dominate the skies for the next 50 years. Thanks for watching U.S. and World Report. Stay informed, stay ahead, and we'll see you in the next video.